It's time for an unboxing video. This is my Dapol, I don't know how you pronounce that. I always want to say Dapol, but I've heard other people say Dapol. Anyway, doesn't change the fact that I'm unboxing their Hawthorn Leslie 040 locomotive that I got recently in a Black Friday sale. So let's open the lid. Here we get the standard Dapol set of instructions, the owner's manual, and under the foam we get the model itself. Looking very shiny. The photograph on the website where I bought it, the green was very, very plasticky, but this is a lot better. This actually looks rather nice. Okay, now this is mounted on a Perspex display stand and screwed on. So we're going to have to unscrew this somehow. So let me try and take this out. It's quite well sat in position. There we go. It does look very nice. The detail is really good. The interior is very, very nice as well. This is one of the best detailed models that I have in my collection. I don't often buy brand new items, but this was a very good price in the Black Friday deal. So what kind of screws do we have? Little Phillips. So me try and find the right screw. Could be this one. Is that going to work? Oh, these are really quite small. No. Gonna need a smaller screwdriver. Okay, let's try this small jeweler's screwdriver. Yeah, that's going to work. No, it's not. It doesn't quite bite. Oh, that one does. Oh, the roof's come off. Yeah, this is the magnetic roof. I remember Sam's drains, this fell off for him. How you see the magnets also come off of this side. This is seems to be a common problem with these roofs. The two magnets have stuck together on this side. It's workable. This magnet here should be separated and glued onto here. Maybe I'll do that. I don't know, because it does, with the one magnet, it does still fit. But let me take this off while I attempt, without breaking anything, to unscrew this item. I need to give it some pressure. Yep, got it. Okay, so now we can go the full way. These screws are quite deep. Voila. And the washers have come off, but never mind. So here it is in all its glory, untethered. Wow, look at that detail. Very, very nice. Okay, I think what I want to do is get this down onto the tracks and give it a run. One thing I didn't see in the box were the accessories. There are these teeny tiny etched plates, absolutely minuscule. I'm not sure how I'm going to fit those on properly. And some chain link couplings as well. So really nice to have, but they're so fine. I mean, look at the size of them. So down on the track, one of the first things I notice is the size, how small it is. So compared to the Bagnall shunter, the standard Holden Hornby train set item, and the old Triang Poly Connie, it really is miniature. So let's give it a first run. I haven't moved it yet, I haven't tried it yet. Let's see what happens. And that seems very, very smooth. And back. Very nice. Hardly making a noise. Nice and smooth, everything looking good. So, I guess, oops, that was a direct switch there. From reverse to forward, I guess I should give it a bit of time to run in. And I'll do that, and then we'll come back and I'll put some wagons behind it and see what happens. One thing, if I zoom in, you can just about see the glow of the firebox. I think that's the only engine I have that has this feature. Very nice. Well, I've run it a few times around the floor track, and while that was happening I was reading the manual and it says it doesn't need running in. So it's about time I put it on my proper layout, see how it runs, see how it takes these points, see how it takes the steel track. So the question is, are we in reverse or forward? We're in forward, hurrah. I'm going to do it quite fast just to get over these points. Ooh, didn't like that at all. I had trouble with these points with other locos. Let's try on the outer circuit. This is usually more reliable. Take two. Oh, I didn't switch that. Well, it glided over those points at quite a low rate, quite a low speed, which is good to see. So the pickups seem to be very effective, but it doesn't really like these old points so much. Yeah, it has a little dip and a bit of a hesitation there. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this model. It's, as I said, it's one of my first new, highly detailed locos. Previously, I've had some fairly cheap Hornby stuff that's brand new, but this is the first real high-quality 2025 model that I've had. The only real problem issue is the magnet that fixes the roof on. It's not too serious. I mean, you can't see that the magnet's not quite right. So maybe I'll try separating the magnet, sticking it back on with glue. That probably means super glue though, fixing metal to plastic. So I'm going to have to be very careful when I do that. Another little project. So until the next time, enjoy your model railways. And with that, it's goodbye.